My name's Graeme Gardyne and we live in the Chatton district, which is 15 minutes north of Gore, and eastern Southland is our region. Oats are growing in popularity again as the health attributes of oats is becoming better known. This area is well suited to oats because it's not a high rainfall area, but it's summer safe, so there's usually enough rain to fill the oats. Every year we have this open day. It's suitable because the oats are out in air, so you can see the differences in size and in the types of heads they've got on them. Yeah, I think there's three key elements in the oat industry group. One is the breeder, Adrian Russell and Plant Research. Two is the manufacturer, Harraways. And three is the growers. And they're all willing to contribute. After the closure of Fleming's, after a few years of supplying, probably I think 4 or 5 years, we recognised there was no breeding program happening. And we knew that this wouldn't produce instant results, but we thought it was important to do something about it. About 2015, after we'd been going for 8 or 9 years, we actually structured ourselves as a charitable body, and the levy now is $3.50 a tonne, which is equally paid by Harraways and the growers. And there's also some other funding. For example, Otis pays a voluntary fee, and FAR have also contributed towards the assessment of oats. Like, we've been going just on 20 years and have produced L5 as our first variety. So that was a major achievement, and it's proved to be a very reliable variety. We're probably going to release a variety called Gardyne. I hope it lives up to its expectations. That'll be our sort of second release. The other thing is the standard of oats in the trials has improved out of sight as far as uniformity and what's being produced to what we were originally getting. The program is at a stage now where we can see more varieties coming through it in the next few years. The number one reason for having the oat industry group is to keep the crop productive, giving higher yields and better quality. That won't happen without a breeding program. There's probably a couple of reasons why oats are important to this region. A is it's the only arable crop that this region can grow that is used for human production. Secondly, it's a break crop to growing feed wheat, so it allows people to grow more wheat in their rotation by having oats as part of the rotation. And also it's very suitable to our climate. It's a crop that dries very easily after rain when it's ripe, and if it's got to be commercially dried, it's a very easy crop to dry. The oats in this area, or this eastern Southland, South Otago, West Otago area, are probably the best quality oats that you'll find in this country or in the world, I think. Yeah, the next 5 or 10 years, some of us will be probably transitioning to the next generation, whether it's myself or Adrian, but Harraways I'm sure will still stay there as a key player. But there's a lot of younger growers here today, and it's indicative of how they see this industry has been important, and the work that's been done here is something I'm sure that they'll continue to support.